Hello everyone, my name is Cpf1, and my advisor is Professor Yuchang Chan. My topic today is CRISPR Cas9 and CRISPR Cpf1 mediated transgene of a stomatal developmental gene EPFL9 in rice. The CRISPR system provides a revolutionary tool for plant genome editing, and there are numerous highly diverse case proteins. And like in this picture, today the most genome editing with CRISPR system has used Cas9, a class 2 type 2 nuclease. However, recently found that the Cpf1, a class 2 type 5 endonuclease, has novel superior feature like Cas9 lacks. So I will introduce the difference between them first. The picture the left one shows the Cpf1 system, and the right one is the Cas9 system. Compared with Cas9, which produces blunt end, Cpf1 generates sticky end with 4 to 5 nucleotide overhead. Next, Cpf1 recognizes TTT and T-rich PAM are 5' on the target side, so the endonuclease will act downstream of the PAM. And while the Cas9 recognizes G-rich PAM, NGG are 3' of the target side, so the double straight break will happen upstream the PAM. And finally, one of the major shortcomings of the Cas9 is its high off-target effect, means that it may function at undesired gene, especially in mammalian cells. And studies have shown that Cpf1 exhibits little to or even no off-target effect in plant cells and mammalian cells. And in this study, they also used the EPFL9 gene as a marker to test the efficiency of CRISPR Cas9 and CRISPR Cpf1 system in rice. EPFL9 gene, and that means epidermal pattern factor like 9. Expression positively regulates stomatal development, and it correlates with increase in stomatal density. So knockout this gene will reduce the number of stomata. Like the right picture, you can see that the rice with reduced stomata compared with the right wild-type control. And it is also a good phenotype for analyzing the heredity of the mutation, even after the several generations, to support the sequencing result. Then both Cas9 and Cpf1 target sequence were located on the coding sequence of the EPFL9 gene on the first exon, and they were chosen very closely for more accurate comparison. The Cas9 target sequence is in red with PAM underlined, and Cpf1 target sequence is in blue. Then 100 T0 plants of each construct that were PCR positive for the nuclease were analyzed by the severe assay. Mix the transgene plants and the wild type and wild type, and after enzyme digestion, if there were mutation, the agarose gel will show 2 bands. Then for the 100 CRISPR Cas9 EPFL9 T0 pairs that were analyzed, 4 of them show double band, and it indicates that the heterozygous plants, that means 4% mutation rates. And as for 100 Cpf1 plants that were analyzed, 10 of them show double bands, and that means 10% mutation rate. And the mutation type in Cas9 system were all deletion, with the maximum deletion size 37 base pair, and the minimum size 4 base pair. And for Cpf1 system, the maximum deletion size was 63 base pair, and the minimum deletion size is 1 base pair. And it also found that there are two substitutions this Cpf1 mutant. Next, the Dextran software is a tool to predict the probable guide RNA on target activity. As a result, the Cas9 EPFL9 shows 69% likelihood, while Cpf1 only shows 7% likelihood. But actually, in experimental result, the Cpf1 produced a higher percentage of stability added mutants. Then take event 13 and 24 to Cas9 system, and event 6 and 9 in Cpf1 system to T1 generation. And the segregation results were seen all have the expected Mendelian segregation pattern, nearly 1 to 2 to 1. And I also found that the Cas9 free or your Cpf1 gene free with homozygous mutant that can obtain as early as the T1 generation in rice. For example, in this picture, the Cpf1 PCR analysis of test T1 planes of event 9. And you can see that in progeny 7, were Cpf1 free negative, PCR negative, and were also homozygous for target mutation. And to summary, the author used the EPFL9 gene as a marker to test the efficiency of the CRISPR-Cas9 and CRISPR-Cpf1 system in rice. The Dextran predict that Cas9 has higher probable guide RNA on target activity than Cpf1 system. But actually, the transgene result shows that more than double the percentage of mutant planes observed with Cpf1 system. And both of them have expanded Mendelian segregation and can get transgene-free homozygous mutant. That means the application of CRISPR-Cpf1 in plants is a new method of genome editing that can be applied to create loss-of-function mutants. And this is my speaking. Thanks for your listening.